Before you break, you must find. Before you report, you must prove. Vulnerability scanning isn't chaos. It's the light that finds the cracks.
I walk the net like a surgeon with a lamp. Not to wound, but to map every gap. Scan the surface, don't be reckless aloud. Passive first, then active when cleared by the cloud. Enumeration's the language, discovery's the art. Find the open doors before you part. Non-credential scans, view from the street. Credential scans, see the rooms complete. Nmap whispers ports, shows the gate. Banner reveals the version, tells the state. But don't stop there, that's just the start. Run authenticated checks to read the heart. Know your CVE, know the score. CVSS severity tells you more, but numbers don't fix. People do, so scan with care, then follow through.
Scan the truth, light the dark. Every service, every mark. Find the flaw, then make it right. Scan with honor, hold the light. Scan the truth, light the dark. Every service, every mark. Find the flaw, then make it right. Scan with honor, hold the light.
Nessus hums, OpenVAS sings. Nikto knocks on web app things. BurpSuite proxies to catch the flow. Passive spiders map what users know. SEA for libs, dependencies lie. Outdated packages let attackers pry. SAST and DAST code and runtime. One finds the bug, one finds the time. False positives, they'll cloud your report. Validate, reproduce, don't cut short. Safe scan windows, throttle requests. Coordinate with teams, avoid the stress. Scanning staging, scanning lab. Never blind, scan production like a staff. Permission sign, scope defined. Rules of engagement keep you aligned.
Scan the truth, light the dark. Every service, every mark. Find the flaw, then make it right. Scan with honor, hold the light. Scan the truth, light the dark. Every service, every mark. Find the flaw, then make it right. Scan with honor, hold the light.
Not every finding means the sky will fall. Prioritized by impact, that's a criticality call. Patch, mitigate, monitor, and test. Close the loop, don't leave it to rest.
Critical last is first, public web next. Internal services, then infrastructure checks. Exploitability, impact, CVSS wait. Business risk maps, the final fate. If you find a 0 day, don't blow the horn. Responsible disclosure, be the calm before dawn. Encrypt your findings, redact PII. Communicate clearly, then verify the reply. Retest after patch, ensure no regress. Regression checks prove you progress. Build a culture, vulnerability hygiene. Train teams to patch, not keep the scene. Login, alerting, CMON watch. Turn scans into sensors, don't just notch. Automation with caution, cron or CI. But human review closes the final tie.
Scan the truth so no one bleeds. Guardians of the gap, planting seeds. Not for chaos, not for fame. We scan to heal, that's the game. We scan the truth so no one bleeds. Guardians of the gap, planting seeds. Not for chaos, not for fame. We scan to heal, that's the game.
Learn the tools, learn the process. Scan with ethics, report with care. Vulnerability scanning is the flashlight in the dark. Be the one who finds the crack and helps the world repair.
Scan the truth.
Guard the light down.